Okay, teams, uh, I would like to ask you to introduce yourselves and start your debate now.
Hi everyone, my name is Jana Popel. My ID number is 109752. Today the topic we debate is communication as an element of culture.
Hello everyone, good evening. It's me Kanchi Shepa and my student ID is 109753. Today we are here for the debate on the topic cultural communication is an essential element for business success. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Jiang Zhenyi. Today's topic is about communication as an element of culture. Cultural communication does matter in business.
Hello everyone, my name is Susma Paurel. My student ID is 108906. Here we are going to debate on cultural communication doesn't matter in business.
Hello everyone, I'm Qing Wang. My ID number is 107031. Today our topic is cultural communication doesn't matter in business.
Hello everyone. My name is Pushpa Chaudhary and my ID number is 109957. And today's topic is cultural communication doesn't matter in business.
Okay, the team, you can start your debating points now.
Hi, good evening ladies and gentlemen. We are honored to be here today to discuss a crucial factor in business success, the role of culture and communication. In today's globalized world, effective communication is not just important, it is also essential for building strong relationship and fostering success in any business environment. I am Jana Pokrel and I will be introducing our team today. We have worked together to explore how cultural communication, how cultural understanding and communication impact decision making and overall business outcomes. First, my friend Sangi will be divining into the main decision making process and highlighting how communication influences this critical moment in business operations. Then my friend Kansi will provide a conclusion to our presentation and also give a summarizing key insight and takeaways on how businesses can leverage culture and communication for long-term success. In today's globalized world, effective communication play a crucial role for the success of any organization. As companies expand across borders, they encounter diverse perspectives, values and communication styles. Cultural communication is defined as the exchange of information between individuals from different backgrounds which play a key role for the overcoming these challenges. We strongly believe that understanding and respecting cultural differences enhance productivity, foster strong relationships, which reduce the which reduce the chance of conflict in workplace by promoting mutual understanding. Cultural communication helps organizations adapt and thrive in today's interconnected world. Thank you so much.
Hello, good evening. Today we are going to debate about cultural exchange in business. According to said, understanding cultural difference can help people work better, building good relationship and reduce problems at work. We think about cultural communication doesn't matter in business. Some people believe that knowing different cultures helps workers do their jobs better, get along well, and have fewer problems. However, we believe that cultural exchange isn't the main reason for business success. Many say it's important, but we think that efficiency, new ideas, and smarter decisions are more important for a company's growth. Today, businesses operate in many countries. They work with different customers and employees. If cultural exchange was the most important fact, many companies would fail in foreign markets. But this isn't true. Big companies like Amazon and Tesla are successful and they don't depend on cultural exchange to grow global. For example, Amazon's Prime membership attracts customers by offering best delivery and discounts. This helps sell more products, but it doesn't need to change for different countries. In the same way, Tesla's self-driving system and online software updates help save worker costs and make customers happy. They don't need a cultural exchange to make their cars work. This explains show that advanced technology and automation help companies succeed more than cultural exchange. Even with cultural differences, businesses can still do well by focusing on simple operations, technology, and strong business plans. Today, companies use data automations and fast decision making to grow. They rely on artificial intelligence, members, and results instead of cultural knowledge. Businesses care more about working quickly, saving money, and expanding. For example, IKEA use a global warehouse and logistics system to run efficiently without adjusting for regional difference. McDonald's also has a standard supply chains, and so its food quality stays the same in every country. Many global companies use English as their main business language, which helps them work smoothly without needing cultural adaptation.
I think you have 30 seconds to go. It's taking too much time.
For example, IKEA uses a global warehouse and logistics system to run efficiently without adjusting for regional differences. McDonald's also has a standard supply chain, so its food quality stays the same in every country. Many global companies use English as their main business language, which helps them work smoothly without needing cultural adaptation. Additionally, digital tools like
Your time is up. Right? We'll move to this other party.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Now I'm going to explain why it is important. Cultural communication does matter in business. First of all, it strengthens global business relationships in international business. When how people from different cultures communicate helps companies build trust and partnership. For example, Asian cultures often use indirect communication, but Western cultures they prefer direct speech. If a company understands these differences, it can avoid misunderstandings and work better with international clients. Good cultural communication gives businesses an advantage by showing respect for local customers. And the second one will be improving workplace teamwork. As companies hire people from different cultures, communication becomes more important. Different cultures have different ways of solving problems and making decisions. When businesses encourage open communication, employees feel included and valued. This leads to better teamwork, new ideas, and fewer conflicts. And the third will be avoiding risks and misunderstandings. Poor cultural communication can harm companies' reputation, cause lost clients, and lead to mistakes. For example, gestures, colors, and meeting times mean different things in different countries. In a business, it understands these details. It can avoid costly errors and work better in foreign markets. And the fourth one will be growing a global brand. successful brands changes their messages to fit different cultures. Companies like Coca-Cola and McDonald's, they do this by adjusting their aids, produce, and communication styles. When businesses respect cultural differences, they gain customers' loyalty and attract people from all over the world. And that's all. Thank you.
Okay. The
Hello,
affirmative
everyone.
team. Yeah.
My name is Pushparaj Chaudhary, and today's my topic is communication as element of culture. So I'm going to eager regarding to debate in culture communication doesn't matter in business. So just now my friend Senge explained some key points, but it's not enough for a successful business. So I have some vital key points which allow to be success in business. And just like iron, standardization work is a big company focus on efficiency and consistency, and standard products and branding making things simple and create a strong global image. For example, Apple sells the same iPhones everywhere, focusing on innovation rather than cultural difference. And another point is English is a global business language. So English is the main language of business worldwide. Companies like Microsoft, Google, and Amazon mostly using English even in non-English countries. For example, Samsung requires for English for international work. And another point is that technology breaks the language barriers. Tools like Google Translate and Deeply make the communication across language easy. Companies like Amazon, Alibaba using automatic translation for customer service and reducing the needs for the cultural understanding. And last point is performance and data are key. Teams focus on measurable results like sales, profit, and efficiency. For example, Tesla succeed in the Chinese because of the innovation and government support, not cultural adoption. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, while our opening says that technology, efficiency, standardization, and data are the key factors for business success, I believe that cultural communication is the real drivers. Technology and efficiency are important tools, but they cannot replace the human connection and flexibility that business need to play succeed. Without the strong company culture and good communication, even the best tools won't be enough. Just a moment ago, Pushparaj told that business can be success by using technology. Yes, technology can make business to work faster and easier, but it's not enough on its own. Even the best technology, business need a culture of creativity, teamwork, and flexibility. It is only possible when we have a good communication skills. And uh, for example, look at the Yahoo and BlackBerry. They both had a great technology, but they do not have a good cultural communication. So they do not work for them. BlackBerry did not came up with the SIP 2000 screen phones, and Yahoo could not adapt to the rise of Google's. This company failed because they did not have the culture that support change and innovation. He also argued that with the use of standardization, company can become successful. While standardization helps keep things constant and efficient, it can also cause a problem if a business doesn't have a good idea about culture differences. Business need to be able to adjust to the needs and preference of different markets, and this requires a good communication and cultural awareness. Examples: McDonald's. While McDonald's have a standardized menu, but they adopt local tastes. For example, in India they offer more vegetarian options, and in Japan they sell burgers with the teriyaki sauce. This shows that cultural communication is key to connect with customers, even when a company have a standardized products. Similarly, Pushparaj also talks about efficiency for the business success. Efficiency is important, but it's not everything. Efficiency helps business run smoothly, but It doesn't build trust, loyalty with the customers and employee. Business need to create strong relationship, and there's where communication and good company culture come in. Example, Zappos, the online store is a great example. They focus a lot on creating an amazing company culture where employees are encouraged to go above and beyond for customer. Their strong cultural communication has helped them to build a loyal customer base, and that's why they are so successful. In conclusion, while technology efficiency and standardization are certainly important, they are not enough to guarantee success. Cultural communication is what truly drives business forward. Thank you.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. The affirmative team has overestimated the role of communication. Cultural communication is business. Can't you share that cultural communication is important? But I don't think so, because many companies like Apple and Tesla run their business without heavily communication. They argue that cultural communication builds good relationship, but business primarily driven by efficiency, innovation, and profit, not cultural sensitivity. The reality is that companies focus on market research, customer needs, and financial performance. A real-world example is Tesla. In 2018, Elon Musk tweeted about taking Tesla private at $220 per share. It led to stock volatility and SEC investigation. The misleading statement resulted in a 20 million fine and Musk stepping down as a chairman. This shows that wrong public communication can lead to legal and financial consequences for business. If we didn't manage the communication properly, the sensitive information being leaked. So our opponent team member said that working with group is essential for communication. I think that working with a group and making decision with group delays our decisions. So to make a fast decision, we don't need communication. Finally, while cultural differences exist, business thrive on universal principles such as professionalism, ethics, and corporate governance. A common business language and global standard means companies can operate effectively without prioritizing cultural communication. For this reason, we stand by our position. Communication is not a determining factor in a business success. Thank you.
Okay, I'm giving 2 minutes for each team, the affirmative team and the opposition team, just to counter argue. This is the time just for the affirmative team to go ahead with your counter arguments.
Okay. The counter argument might say English has become the common language all over the world. So culture does not matter on business, but language is only a tool for communicating well. If one company wants to create their business in particular market, they can talk with local people in any language if they can understand, but they have to respect the local culture. And the counter argument, they make two examples. One is Tesla and the other McDonald's. I would like to talk about Tesla. Apple and Tesla, they're two American companies, but Apple seems to like to follow the culture in China. They have built a cloud in a province in China, but Tesla did not. So Apple can use those special version in China, but Tesla cannot use the autopilot in China. And yeah, that's all.
Anybody from the affirmative team to do any counter arguments? Is there any preparation? Okay, this time is for the opposition team. Just did you all have anything to affirm just from the opposition team?
Our friend Cindy said that Tesla is a big company and that they are using the communication with respect to our cultural communication. He said that, but we need to respect the culture of communication, but in misleading information, misleading communication can decrease the company's priority, so that I think communication doesn't matter in business. Thank you.
Okay, thank you both the teams. Just this debate is finishing by now.